thank you for coming here, and you've been invited here to share your origins of all of your scars, so thank you.
Is it alright if I go first, guys? Alright. Hello, everyone. My name is Cedric, and I changed quite a lot. Let me put this picture in your mind. A late night, dark, eerie, very goddamn eerie. I was walking down, minding my own business, slightly hungover, but as I walked through, there was 20 of them, 30, maybe even 40. And I was very confused. So I just kept walking, but then they started shouting at me, staring at me, acting very suspicious. And I was like, what is this? And I walked past, and then they started advancing towards me, and I was like, I did not want to do this today, but it seems like I have to. And I blacked out, woke up, and I'm changed like this, and I can just say, I definitely wasn't the worst out of all of them. Thank you, that's my story.
It happened a long time ago. I was like 6 or 7, and I was with my brother. He was just so competitive. I hate him. He challenged me to jump as high as I could on the bed. But nobody warned me about gravity. It's not like that where I come from, down there.
Underwater.
Yeah. Well, I jumped as high as possible, but I forgot whatever came up must come down. I hit my neck on the side of the bed, leaving me with this nasty piece of work. My lesson learnt, don't trust bed.
Hi, my name is Spike, and I work for the devil. I've been in hell all my life, and I wanted to get a delicious bagel. I raced to the bagel factory as fast as I could, but when I got there, there was one bagel left, with tons and tons of people there. So when I tried to get it, that dirty, filthy Adam, oh, I hate that guy. You would all hate him, I know it. He barged me and knocked me out with one elbow. I remember my horn falling onto the floor. You want to see it? Want to see? Give me a sec. Yeah, found it. He did this to me. That filthy loser took off my horn for a bagel. I mean, it was really good, but it was only a bagel. That's my story.
Why? Why are you all looking at me like that?
I mean, it's your turn now, come on.
I don't want to show it.
Why? What, are you scared?
No, why would I be scared?
I doubt it's as bad as half of ours.
Why are you all lying?
It's not that serious, come on.
All right. Jesus, I'll tell you. You just don't understand. It changed me. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. What I meant to say is I was writing and got a little paper cut. So silly, all in the past now.